Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the extra puzzles. The extra puzzles in this puzzle page, not in today's newspaper on Monday, October the 2nd, 2023. No, it's the weekend edition. Last weekend, Saturday, September the 30th, 2023, we have here two puzzles left in this puzzle page, the Three Stars Sudoku and the binary, and also in additional, we have three puzzles left. The Sunday edition, Letter Sudoku, Two Stars, and the Tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. Because in today's newspaper on Monday, we have no extra puzzles, no additional. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the last Saturday. And the first one I will solve is this one. Let me check. This one, number 7197. Nope, 7198. 7198. Okay. Seven one nine eight. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 28 printed digits. Well, should be an easy one. 28. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus, in additional, this should be a 0 stars. And I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Maybe 40 minutes. But if it's really a 3 stars, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Okay. Let me see. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 4. We have 2 and a 4 in the first column, so no 2 and a 4 in these two boxes. 2 and a 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 4 and a 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Let me mark those two boxes. Alright. And now. Then. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers. Well, not 2. Let me see. 6. Well, 4 missing numbers. No. 6. Okay. Let me continue with the other numbers. 4, 3. Need 3, 5, 1. Okay. 9. 4, 2. 4, 6. Okay. 7. 9. Okay. Need 2 here. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So the first row only 2 place level 2 should be here. Oh, there we see 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, the only 2 place level 4 should be here. Oh, there we see 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4. And 4. Cannot continue with the 4 now. How about have a pair. 6 and a 9 in this row. 6 and a 9 in the second row. So the third row, the only two places left for the 6 and 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. Okay. 7, 3. Need a 5 and an 8. Okay. And now. Let me see. 5. Need an 8. 3. Need a 3 here. I'm thinking. Come on. This is taking too long. 3. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 8. 2 in this row. 2 in the middle row. So the row above, the only two places left for 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, 2. 2, 2. Cannot continue with 2 now. Well, 7 in this column. 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. Here, 7 in this row, no 7 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. 8, 9. 8, 9, and 6. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 7 and 8 is missing, and a 9 is missing. 6, 8, 9, 6, 8, 9, 6, 8, 9, 6, 8, 9. And look, we have 6 and 9 in this column, third column. So no 6 and 9 in this box. 6 and 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 8. 6, 7, and 3. 2 missing numbers in the third column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4 and a 5 and a 6 and a 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 3 goes there. 3, 3, 7. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only two place left for 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Then 9. Okay, need a 9 here. 9 and 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 9 and a 5. We have a 9 and a 5 in the middle row, so no 9 and 5 in these two boxes. 9 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 9 and a 5, 9 and a 5. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5, and the 6, the 7. 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Let me mark those two boxes. So we have a 1 in this row, 1 in one of those two boxes in the middle row. So the row below, the only two places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in that column. So the column between, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. Here 1 in the third row, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. Then. How about? Need a 9. 9 here. Need a 9 there. Come on. This is taking too long. 1, 2, 3, 8, 3, 9. 3, 9, and 5. 3, 3, 3, 5, and 8. I'm thinking. Okay, come on. This is taking too long. 5, need an 8 here. Need a 3 here. Need a 1, 1, 1, 1. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 6, and 8. 1, 6, and 8. 1, 6, and 8. 2, 5. And a 9. 2, 5, and a 9. Come on. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. 4 here. Still thinking. 1, 3, 3. Yeah, this is taking long. Well, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have 3 in this column. Middle column, so no 3 in this box. So 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the 5, we have 3 in the third row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in the third row for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. Let me mark those. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 5 in the last column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. So we have a 5 in this row, first row, 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row, only 2 places left with the 5, goes together with the 3 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing here. 1 and 8, we have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Then we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places left with 1 should be here or there. You see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below, so the last row, the only 2 places left with 1 should be here or there. You see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. Alright, we found the 1s. And now, 9, 5, 6. Now. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place level 3 should be there. 3 in the 5, we have 3 now in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. And 1 box left in this column for the I believe 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6 is missing. 5 and 6, 5 and 6. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Okay, and now. Need a 9 here, need a 9 there. 9, 5. 9 and a 5. Overlook this 5 in this row. So no 5 there. 5 should be here. 9 goes there. 9 and a 6. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 6 goes there. 5 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 5 goes there. Alright. And now 1 box left in this row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 9, okay. 1 box left in this row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 8. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the rest. Leave the 4 and the 7. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7 is missing. 7 and 4, 7 and 4. We have a pair here. That means 1 digit left in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. Yeah, 5 is missing. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, the only place left with a 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the last row for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 is missing, 8, 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 4 and a 7, we have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 7 and a 4, we have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the last column for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, 2 and 6, 2 and 6. Let me mark those. The other pair in this big square are numbers 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. You see an 8 in this column, second column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 box left in this column, first column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 2 and 6, we have a 6 now in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 2 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 2 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Wow. Not faster than 50 minutes. Well, let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. But not faster than 50 minutes. Otherwise, it will be a 1 star. Alright, thank you for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle in this puzzle page of Saturday edition. Until then, bye-bye for now.